Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, I am very happy and pleased to see the subscribers, and I hope you all are learning through the videos, through communication videos. So guys, now here we have come up with one more video of shopping. So let us learn what are the simple phrases, basic phrases to be used when you want to invite someone for a shopping, and what kind of phrases are used to talk about the different things available in the market at different places. So let's watch a video and learn through a video.
Hi Shama, how are you? What's up?
Nothing much.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I'm a shopaholic.
What do you generally shop for?
I usually shop for clothes, bags, and imitation jewelry.
Where do you go for shopping?
I enjoy street shopping.
Oh wow, that sounds nice. Are you a bargainer?
Yes, of course.
I would like to come with you then.
So guys, I hope you like the video and watch the video, and I'm sure that while shopping, when you want to go for a shopping, you will be using these phrases which will definitely help you to enhance your communication skills. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye for now. See you soon.